Hello there, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's citations video, what I'd like to discuss is going to be local citations and also any other type of citations, but more importantly, the difference between a regular citation or a structured citation and an unstructured citation. So I don't want to waste any time. Let's get directly into this. So the very first piece that we need to understand is what is a citation, right? So let's go out there and figure out citation, local citation definition, okay? So we first need to define what exactly is considered a citation, or at least what Google thinks of it. So we're going to pull out the snippet here coming from Moz, a reputable source, and it says, a local citation, and this is a key piece of information here, this small little word, any. A local citation is any online mention of a name, address, and a phone number of a local business. Citations can occur on local business directories or on websites and apps and on social platforms. Citations help internet users to discover local businesses and can also impact local search engine rankings. The key word here is any. And this small little word, any, is what defines the difference between a structured citation and an unstructured citation. Let me go ahead and give you some examples here. So you probably are very well versed in understanding what a local citation, a local structured citation is, right? And I'll give you some examples here. So if you were to search for pretty much any business online, let's just say my business, Chris Palmer, Marketing, and we'll go ahead and put the number in here, the phone number. And what you're going to find is generally the most authoritative citation sources. And I'll go ahead and point some of these out to you. So some of the first ones that you're going to know right off the bat, Chamber of Commerce for Pennsylvania, right? Name, address, phone number. So this is the Chamber of Commerce for Pennsylvania, along with a lot of other states. Name, address, phone number, and a link back to the website. That's a structured citation. If we take a look at another one here, we'll come on down the list here. And a lot of times what you're going to find is going to be websites much like MapQuest. This is another well-known structured citation. So again, it comes up yet again. So we have the name of the business, the address of the business, the phone number of the business, and then a link back to the business. Now, one of the best well-known, or the two or the three, are ones that I'm sure you're well aware of. When you search for a business, see this little tab over here, this Google Business Profile? That is one of the most potent structured citations on the web, and that's called Google Business Profile. Now, also, Bing has an equivalent. So Bing Places, that's a structured citation. MapQuest, that's a structured citation. Foursquare, Monta, right? Your Yelp. These are all your structured citations. Now, if we go back to the definition, okay, and this is where I see a lot of businesses struggling as they start to expand their footprint, as maybe they're adding more locations, or maybe they want to have a little bit more of a oomph. They want to rank a little bit better. They limit themselves to the structured citations instead of building more unstructured citations. I want you to think about this. Does a business with less digital references seem more authoritative than a business with more digital references? Yes, it's absolutely essential that you build out your structured citations. Again, that's your Yelps, your Chamber of Commerce, your Foursquares, right? Your Montas, these types of structured citations, your Bing, your Apple Maps, right? These are essential for your local business. But as you start to grow and as you want to start increasing your footprint, maybe you have more locations, more services, or maybe other little towns, or maybe you want to expand your proximity or the vicinity that your business is ranking for, right? How you start doing this is by initiating campaigns based on expanding your footprint. And how this is accomplished is by creating other assets that contain a digital reference back to your business. I'll give you some examples of that now. So how I do it, and one of the first things that I did was, of course, going to be going to authoritative websites that easily rank, right? So that could be sites like, and I'll share this with you. So as you can see on my Twitter, Chris Palmer Marketing, look at name, address, phone number, digital reference back to the business. Anchor.fm, okay? So this is a podcast where I distribute, but I always put name, address, phone number. So here's a Reddit. I literally made a post that, here it is. So Chris Palmer Marketing, again, name, address, phone number, and a link back. Here's Reddit again, name, address, phone number with a link back, okay? Now, as we go through, I mean, there's going to be countless digital references back to my business. Here's one from Amazon. One from Yelp is a structured citation. And then I've even gone in and created what I call social citations, which if you go like this, right? If we do the Chris Palmer, Marketing, 30 West Broad Street, okay, FL2, Tamaqua, PA. Here, we'll put it in quotes. And then what we'll do is we'll do Instagram. All right, let me see if we still have these up. All right, well, here's even more. Here's a Behance. That was for another business, but again, look at, I went in there and I created a name, address, phone number, and then a link back. This is, again, a digital reference. Now, I don't want to extend this video too long. I just want to get to the point. A structured citation is any site that site is set up to house your name, address, phone number, and a link back containing your description, right? That is a structured citation. An unstructured citation, the only difference is it could be on any website, anywhere, that contains a name, address, phone number, a link back, maybe a description, maybe even other details. But anywhere you can get a digital reference and increase your footprint, it increases the rank overall over the course of time. A business that has more digital references is going to seem, at least at first, and especially as time progresses, as a more authoritative brand. So my name is Chris Palmer. That is going to go ahead and really separate the differences between a structured citation and a unstructured citations, what the differences are. I gave you the definition. I let you know what they are. If you need help getting any type of citation, whether it's an international citation, a local citation, go ahead and search for the 6th result. Here's what you're looking for. Go to New Incognito, go to google.com and search local citation services. Okay, we're in incognito. Number 1, 2, 3, I'm working on getting up there. 4, 5, number 6, I'm on my way up. But if you need help with local citations or international citations, come on over to Chris Palmer Marketing. Click on the 6th result. I'm offering them at very inexpensive cost. I can help you out with this. My name's Chris Palmer. If you have any other questions related to SEO, local SEO, anything at all, never hesitate. Always feel free to go ahead and ask in the section below. And I always look forward to seeing you in the next local citation. The difference between citations, structured citation, and unstructured citations video. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.